Are you depressed?
Yes.
Do you have the hiccups?
Yeah.
Do you want to know how to get rid of them?
Yes.
Well, you're in luck.
I'm in urine?
Yes. Now, if you get rid of hiccups, first, get off the swing. Now, walk over here. Perfect. Now, first, I need you to hold your breath as long as you can. Is that as long as you can do it?
Yes, they're still there.
Next, drink as much water as you can.
Okay.
You know, there's a sink right over there. Batman symbol. Drink as much water as you can, as fast as you can.
I think that was good.
And third,
They're still there though.
no. Now third, you need to get scared.
Okay.
Miley Cyrus on a wrecking ball. Do you still have the hiccups? Huh? Well, then I can't help you
What
anymore.
about hanging
Sorry.
upside down?
I guess we could try that. Let's go. The first two letters of your first word are two Greek letters. It's Batman symbol. Now you must hang upside down.
That tastes like sugar.
Okay.
Now what?
Do you still have the hiccups?
Yeah!
Well, then I can't help you. Screw you.